Hi kiddos, welcome to the City Kid, Country Kid adventure with 5 senses. So first you're going to listen to the videos to learn about 2 types of communities. Then you will advance to the next slide to choose a city or a country adventure. Remember, to advance to the next slide, you hover over to the left side of your device and you click on the next arrow to go to the next slide. So quick recap, you listen to each video, then click on the next arrow. Okay, where will your imagination take you today? Okay, so you get to take your imagination to the city or to the country. Okay, so once you make your choice, you can click on that map. And wow, it's like we're standing right in front of this city. Look at everything that's happening. Whoa. Okay, so when you can visit each of the places in the city to explore with all 5 senses. Okay, so a place will allow you to explore with a sense. So for example, when you come over to a click hand, it's telling you to click on the picture to go explore a sense. Okay, notice how when I hover close to something I can click on, my cursor changed. It went from arrow to click hand. Okay, so the click hands are there to help you know what you can click on. Okay, let's go check out this food truck. What sense are we going to use at the food truck? What do you think? I see a nose right here. It says smell the food at a food truck. Okay, so you will use your sense of smell and imagination to learn about how food trucks work in this video. Okay, there is an optional part for afterwards. Afterwards, you can draw a picture of your favorite part on the back side of a postcard. Okay, so you can use a piece of paper and pretend that you're writing a postcard to someone. Okay, you can use the sample that's below to help you have ideas for what to write. So again, on the back side, you draw your picture of your favorite part. On the front side comes where you write who it's going to. There's some sentence frame ideas. This one says, I got to learn how food trucks work. When they were cooking, it smelled, So you can fill in that blank. How do you think it smelled when you smelled the food at the food truck? You can share a fact. Did you know that? And then you put your fact there. Talk soon. You put your name right here on this line. Okay. The stamp, you can create your own stamp, draw your own stamp. And then this part, again, this is just for fun. So you can pretend, who would you give this postcard to? Who would you put it in the mail for? Okay, you can put that person's name there. You don't have to worry about putting an address. This is for imagination and playful purposes. Okay, so if you chose to do that, then you'll complete that part. If not, and if you've done that part too, you can come over to this picture on the bottom to go back to the city slide to continue with your adventure. Okay, so we click there. Here we are back again. You can click on another picture to go explore with another sense. Okay, and you continue with that pattern of using your sense of whatever's on the slide. This one, we're thinking about the sense of taste to explore Dylan's candy bar store. Okay, if you want to do the postcard part, it's right there for you. Okay, and then you can go back to the city to continue with your adventure. Now, let's say that when you first came to the city slide, if you're like, oh, this looks cool, but I'm curious about what the country looks like too, you can hover over to the bottom and there is a picture of the maps where you can click and it will take you to the map slide. Okay, we were at the city. You can go check out the country, because here at the country, again, you can visit each of the places that will allow you to explore all 5 senses. Okay, so let's click on one so you can see, oh yeah, remember we had the taste one at the city, there's a taste one at the country too. When you are all done exploring, you may come over to the reflecting thumbs to check out the reflection slide, and this would be awesome, especially if you completed the postcard part, okay, because you can lay out your postcards on a table and you can tell someone about your adventure using these words. Okay, so you might say, first, I went to the food truck, and then you can talk about what that experience was like. Second, I went to Dylan's candy bar store. Okay, next, then last, those are transition words. These are our learning goals. And if you would like to continue with more extension opportunities and activities, you can click on the extension activities slide, where there are more connected activities for you to engage with your senses. I hope you have fun.